There is something interesting that emerges as you start to learn more about nature, and specifically when you learn about plant species. And it's a pattern of adaptation and survival that you probably just haven't been seeing. One example of this that I noticed recently is that in mosquito dense areas, there are also a higher density of plants that repel mosquitoes, like mints, beautyberries, and magnolias. Researchers have found that it's likely a combination of three things that causes this. The first one is called association resistance, which is when one plant species provides protection for nearby plants by deterring herbivores, insects, and even pathogens. This is one that we humans actually can take advantage of with our own crops, like when you grow mint around your garden to keep deer out. It's not uncommon for some plants to actually prefer to grow next to these deterring plants, like raspberry can often be found growing near stinging nettle, which is able to keep pretty much every mammal away, but still allows raspberry's target audience of birds to come and enjoy its fruit. There's also been observations of ants preferring to build their houses underneath things like rose bushes. The second one is called coevolution, and it suggests that since plants evolved alongside mosquitoes and its predators like deer and rabbits, they opted to develop defensive adaptations to chemically protect themselves and assure their genetic success. The third and final one is probably due to an ecological niche, which is the theory that in mosquito abundant areas, there's just less competition of plant species. And so the plants that can survive it exploit that niche chemically because they have the advantage. But why would a plant need to repel a mosquito? Don't they drink blood? Well, mosquitoes can actually also spread pathogens between plants too by landing on them. And they are also little nectar thieves, since mosquitoes drink nectar during the day, and they're not really a good source of pollinating like bees are. Also, many of the compounds that plants produce are broadband pest repellents and help keep away many other bugs like aphids and grasshoppers, and not just mosquitoes. The next time you're out hiking and come across some mint, take a moment and remember that you are likely one of the only species on the planet that actually enjoys that smell. And why do you think that is? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy foraging.